Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 23rd of February 2023. So today is a morning session. Remember, subscribe, like, share and comment, support the channel. Okay, want to open an account, you can try CGS-CIMB, one of the top platform in Malaysia. The link is at the description area. So today we want to take a look at hot stock today. This is Me Technovation Berhad. Okay, 5286. Okay, look, today jumped 16%. Okay, today already jumped 16%. Let's take a quick look at the website. Not too much. Okay, not too much information here. Okay, so we know that we got semiconductor equipment business and semiconductor material business unit. And who are the leadership? Let's take a look at the corporate structure. Okay, so we got semiconductor equipment business unit and semiconductor material business unit and semiconductor solution business unit. Okay, look at the directors. Independent non-executive director Mr. Lee, executive director group chief executive officer, this is a CEO lah. Okay, Mr. O Kwang Eng. Okay, so this is the one that is running the company. CFO Miss Yong Xiao Woon Teo, executive director of semiconductor business. This one, Mr. Teo. This Accurus is executive director is Mr. Heng Kok Lin, and another independent non-executive director, Mr. Tan. So this is all. Okay, independent non-executive director Mr. Lim, independent non-executive director Miss Poon, Accurus president semiconductor material business unit. Okay, looks like okay, a lot of experience. Okay, very experienced people. Looking, judging at their age lah. Okay, so okay. Let's take a look at a quick summary of what is this company doing. A quick summary.
Me Technovation Berhad is a Malaysia-based semiconductor-related company. The company operates through three segments: Semiconductor Equipment Business Unit, SEBU; Semiconductor Material Business Unit, SMBU, and others. Its SEBU segment is engaged in manufacturing and sales of semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Paired with smart factory automation solutions for Industrial 4.0, such as wafer-level chip-scale packaging, WLCSP, sorting machines with inspection and testing capabilities for the semiconductor industry. Together with the provision of maintenance services and technical support for these machines, as well as the sale of related spare parts and components. SMBU segment is engaged in manufacturing and sales of solder spheres, solder balls, a key assembly and packaging material in semiconductor industry. Its others segment includes investment holding and other activities. Its subsidiaries include Me Equipment, MSDN, BHD, Accurus Scientific Company, Limited and others.
So let's take a look at the company fundamental. Okay, ROE, return on equity 6.54, not bad. PE 24.31. Okay, still okay. Okay, not too high, not too low. Earning per share EPS 7.65, good. Let's see, price to book value 1.59 is not expensive also. Okay, 1.59. Market cap 1.674. 1 billion, 1.674. Okay, let's look at the total cash 408 million, total debt 88. Debt to cash 0.26, debt to equity 0.04. So this company also no debt one, very little debt only compared to the company cash and equity. So it's very low debt company. Okay, very low debt company. So let's look at the annual report for the last few years. 2018, 160 million revenue, 44 million profit. 019, 191 million revenue, 59.2 million profit. 2020, 229 million, 54 million profit. 2021, 375 million, 61 million profit. 2022, 389 and 68 million. So these companies, okay, very have done very well. The business is just growing and growing. Profit also, okay, consistent, going up. But the profit didn't scale as much as their business. Okay, the business grew a lot, but the profit, let's see, profit doesn't scale as fast as the business. Okay, so let's take a look at the. Okay, got dividend every year. Okay, got warrant. Okay, so this company is a good company lah. Looking at the cash. Okay, looking at the debt to cash. Looking at their fundamental. Looking at the fundamental. Okay, looking at the PE value. Looking at fundamental everything lah. So this company actually is looks good. Okay, looks good, well managed. Okay, and good potential, and it's consistent. Profit all the time. Let's check out. Let's see the quarterly. Okay, so we have completed all the four quarter lah. All the 4 quarter last year. Okay, so this year, okay, the next quarter will be a fresh one, a new year. Okay, so let's see. Take a look at the chart. Okay, so me price has dropped from the top. Significantly dropped from the top. Okay, which is around top around 5.6 ringgit. Okay, continue to drop despite the business is continue growing. Okay, so now if you look at this me now, right? Okay, it's at a very cheap price. You can say it's at a cheap price compared to here. Compared to 2021, right? 2021. Let's see 2021. Okay. Okay, 2021, right? Okay. This year profit and revenue actually higher than 2021. Okay, but during 2021, okay, it was at 5 ringgit. Okay, now it is at 1.8. Okay, so it is very, very cheap compared to the high. So if you're buying at this 5 ringgit, then you're buying at a very high price. If you're buying now, you're buying at a very, very low price. Okay, you're buying on a very consistent and a stable company. Okay, at a very, very low price. Okay, so this one, I think long term potential. No, maybe short term will have some volatility. US drop, all these things, it might continue to drop. But you see, okay, for long term play, right? You look at long term play, okay, it is potential. It is potential. Okay, so long term, you see, there is a downtrend channel. Price keep on falling now. It make a double. Okay, make a double bottom. It broke out through double bottom, and also broke outside this a channel. Okay, broke outside this channel. Okay, and you see, okay, the price was all the way down, all the green color, full. Now the green color, okay, has receded to almost none. Okay, the red color is coming back. Okay, no doubt today we got a big push up a big push up. But this one potential we want to wait for a sell. A sell opportunity. That now RSI has been quite high, so we want to wait for RSI to drop maybe around 50. The next drop, the next retracement. Okay, potential is a long-term play for this stock. Long-term play. Okay, if the management can continue if the company can continue this good governance, and a good management. So this one potential, I think long term it has a potential to go back up in the long term. Go back up, keep up for the long term. Okay, today big push, and the next drop probably we might have a support line here. Okay, so if there is a sell down, okay, if there is sell, okay, the next, if there is sell, come back to around this is a support area. Okay, 1.5 area. Okay, we come back here, this area potential, you know, there is a, we can long term pick. Okay, it's a long term pick. First, there is dividend, okay, for long term pick. Second, the company has been very well managed up to now, and it's very cheap. It's very cheap. It has dropped to a very cheap price. Okay, very low price. Okay, previously dropped to 1 ringgit area. But now you compare to the last year's price, it's still considered cheap it's still considered cheap. Okay, for the profit it's making, for the profit and revenue it's making, compared to last year at a 5 ringgit, now it's 1 ringgit. It's very cheap. Okay, so that is my analysis. Okay, this is not investment advice, because this is just sharing what I see on this company. Okay, what I think, and 5286. Okay, I'll talk to you later tonight. Stay safe. Bye bye.